this topic, a question arising in your mind. Right now, the first question is, what is love? Love means opposing someone, accepting someone, and having a relationship with others. Is it really a love? Do you really think it? Is it love? No. The right definition of love is that all people can feel there is affection between them. That is the true love. After knowing what is a love and what is its definition, then the second question will arise in your mind that how love is much more powerful than hate. If you see the ancient times, Lakshmi Ma, who is very inspired by the Sriya Chandana, is that cleanliness, that is the forces that arise the love and affection. Due to this, she can get and achieve her aim, what she really wants to do. Then second one is, if you come to the relationship between love and hate, that is inequality, caste, race that is going on in Cleopatra, that is the story. But in the end, that the Antony and Cleopatra makes up, that the power of love. In the recent times, Corona has inspired a lot by taking the immunity. If there is no love, then Corona will take into your body and then you reduce your body and into the disease. But in China, a lot of percentage of people are dying. Because of what? There is a rate of hate is increased there. But in India, the rate of percentage is really a tiny percentage in comparison to China. Because the effect of love. Because in China, they believe that if you touch the person, whatever, it will cost into our body. That's the main reason. But in India, love is much more important. You know one word that is house. With love, it makes a home. But without love, it makes only house. So it's the power of love. We got our independence after a long struggle. But with this love, unity, by restricting all this caste, all these facilities, we can build up a progressive, prosperous, and democratic nation. That's the power of love. You must know in your body. Then second love is all about love between a mother or a child. It's a very powerful virginity love between mother and child. Don't you think that it's the power of love that can bring out that Satyavan Savitri? That's also a power of love, no? Then second one is all about that Gautam Buddha. He spread the love, and Sri Aurobindo, Mahatma Gandhi, all these freedom fighters bring the love into a position that it's quite good. If you think love is such a type of one word that you are thinking that love would destroy yourself, means you are in a wrong position. Love is something that makes you unity, but hate is something that makes destruction. Worse. In worse, if you are united, then love makes you in a well and very conserved and a developed position. Then our India will be in the top position. Nothing is impossible. Everything is possible. Courage is everything. Strength and edge are not important. If you put your hands together, if I step out one step towards, if you step out towards me, then the love will increase, not our society, not our world, but all over the world. That's the thing, and I think you will know that what is the power of love, what is the power of divine love, virginity, and all that things going around us. So put your hands together and make the children together and show the love, not the negative.